Welcome back to Motor Masters, the ultimate hub for groundbreaking machines, futuristic technology, and revolutionary vehicles that redefine power and performance. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated next-generation fighter jets that has stirred up the aviation world, the Russian Sukhoi Su-75 Checkmate. Buckle up, because this is not just a fighter jet, it's a strategic statement on the future of air dominance. Host. That's right. The Su-75 Checkmate is Russia's answer to the global demand for affordable, stealthy, and advanced fifth-generation fighters. First unveiled at the MAKS Air Show in 2021, this aircraft sent shockwaves across the defense industry. The design philosophy behind Checkmate was clear: create a lightweight, low-cost, export-friendly stealth fighter that can rival jets like the F-35 Lightning II and the J-31 from China. Narrator. Unlike many other stealth jets, the Su-75 embraces simplicity while maintaining lethal capabilities. At first glance, the angular fuselage, internal weapons bay, and stealth coatings immediately show Sukhoi's experience in shaping radar-evading aircraft. But here's the catch: it's designed to cost far less than its Western competitors, with early reports estimating a price tag of around $25 to $30 million per unit. That's less than half the cost of an F-35, making it a true checkmate move in the fighter jet market. Host. Exactly. Let's talk about its performance. The Su-75 is expected to reach speeds of Mach 1.8, with a combat radius of around 1,500 kilometers. Powered by the advanced Saturn Izdeliye 30 engine, it promises both supercruise capability and high thrust-to-weight ratio. That means it won't just be stealthy, it'll be fast, agile, and ready for long-range missions without relying on heavy refueling. Narrator. Now, stealth isn't only about shape, it's also about how the jet manages heat and radar signatures. The Su-75's engine nozzle is flattened and partially shielded, reducing infrared detection. Its weapons are stored internally, from air-to-air missiles to precision-guided bombs, all kept out of sight until launch. And it's designed with open architecture avionics, meaning it can be easily upgraded with new systems and weaponry over time. Host. Another interesting aspect is its drone compatibility. Reports suggest the Checkmate may operate alongside unmanned aerial vehicles, functioning as a command hub for swarms of drones. That changes the game. It's not just a single fighter anymore, it could be the centerpiece of a networked battlefield. Imagine one Su-75 coordinating multiple drones for reconnaissance, jamming, or even offensive strikes. Narrator. And here's something else: cockpit design. Sukhoi has embraced a digital, glass cockpit with advanced avionics and AI-based assistance to reduce pilot workload. For export customers, the Su-75 is being marketed as a pilot-friendly aircraft, meaning nations with less experience in operating fifth-gen jets can integrate it more easily into their fleets. Host. But of course, with all this excitement, there are challenges. Critics argue that development delays and funding could push back the Su-75's entry into service. Initial timelines predicted its first flight by 2023, but reports suggest full-scale production may only begin closer to 2026 or later. Despite that, potential buyers from the Middle East, Africa, and Asia have already shown strong interest, mainly because it fills the gap between expensive stealth fighters and outdated fourth-generation jets. Narrator. In essence, the Su-75 Checkmate isn't just about Russia showing off, it's about reshaping the market for affordable stealth fighters. If it delivers on its promises, it could level the playing field for many nations that can't afford jets like the F-35. It's more than a fighter, it's a strategic chess move on the global aviation board. Host. The Checkmate name fits perfectly. It's Sukhoi's bold declaration that even a smaller, cheaper fighter can trap its opponents and dominate the skies. Whether it lives up to the hype remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: this jet has captured the imagination of militaries and aviation enthusiasts worldwide. Narrator. And that wraps up today's deep dive into the Su-75 Checkmate. Host. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay ahead of the curve with the world's most advanced machines, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Motor Masters, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next episode. Narrator. Thanks for watching Motor Masters, where innovation meets raw power. Until next time, keep your engines running and your eyes on the skies.